I'm not sure if life is getting easier. I just think that you are becoming more mature. You are becoming more skillful in order to tackle the challenges of life.
The key is to be true to yourself, to be true to the very best that is in you, and to live your life consistent with your highest values and aspirations. Take some time to think about who you are and what you believe in, and what is important to you. Decide that you will never compromise your integrity by trying to be, or say, or feel something that is not true for you. Have the courage to accept yourself as you really are, not as you might be, or as someone else thinks you should be. And know that, taking everything into consideration, you are a pretty good person.
What comes fast, goes fast. And especially something that is changing the status quo of your life, your lifestyle, let's say. Something that is changing it too quickly. It is like, let's just say, at the moment, visit you, I see you like this. In 1 month, I come back and you might have 30 kilograms more on muscles. I know, whatever you did, it was not good. Because all these quick changes, also when we look outside sometimes, let's just take the earthquake or the tsunamis or a lightning strike, anything like this, the natural forces.
Just think, what difference would it make in your life if you had an absolutely unshakable confidence in your ability to achieve anything you really put your mind to? What would you want and wish and hope for? What would you dare to dream if you could believe in yourself with such deep conviction that you had no fears of failure whatsoever?
When it comes to the transformation of ourselves, at least in my worldview, I take this into consideration, meaning I don't even expect myself to make huge jumps because I just feel like, okay, that might just not be sustainable. That might not just be something that is helpful on the long run. And therefore, to take pressure away from you, make small steps. And this is what I mean by how far is your view on your future vision of what you want to achieve there.
In the journey of life, your energy, your vitality, is the foundation upon which everything else stands. If the body is tired, the mind becomes heavy. If the breath is shallow, the spirit becomes dull. That is why we practice. Today, Shi Heng Yi will guide you through 4 simple yet powerful Qigong movements. These exercises are not about strength or flexibility. They are about awareness, about tuning in, about restoring the natural flow of life energy, your Qi. This movement is not just a preparation, it is a message to your body that we are now entering the practice. By lifting and lowering the head, we are unlocking the energetic gates in the shoulders and spine. It allows Qi, the vital energy, to flow without resistance. When energy flows freely, fatigue disappears and clarity returns. This movement resembles the drifting of clouds. And just like clouds that are light and move without struggle, so should your thoughts. This exercise trains your coordination, balance, and helps the internal organs to harmonize. As you sway, your breath deepens, and your mind becomes lighter. This is how stress leaves the body. This posture builds strength from the inside. Just as the bow must be strong yet flexible, so must your body. The drawing of the bow activates your lungs, opens your chest, and improves focus. It teaches intention. Where your eyes go, your energy flows. This is the union of heaven and earth. When we stretch upward, we are receiving cosmic energy. When we press down, we are grounding ourselves. This movement clears tension from the spine and shoulders while improving circulation. You finish the practice both calm and empowered.
Next exercise is our belly region. It's our belly area. Therefore, as a small preparation, just put both of your palms onto your belly. In case you're practicing this exercise in the standing position, the feet a little bit more together. Okay, stop. Yeah, you can place both fists in between the feet. The spine is standing straight, the head is slightly lifted up, so arms are resting on the belly area. And now, first of all, make sure that you know or that you practice to understand what means belly breathing. Nevertheless, no matter how you're breathing, the air is going to end up in your lungs. But dependent on how much tension you are carrying in your diaphragm area, when the diaphragm is relaxed and loose, it feels like the air would enter into your belly area. And that's why during the inhalation, if you're focusing on your belly area and you're staying relaxed, so the complete upper torso is relaxed, it feels like the air is entering into the belly area, and therefore this abdomen area at the same time is inflating while you are inhaling. So just 2-3 times, take it slowly, stay relaxed in the mind, stay inside of your body. Inhale through the nose and feel focused that the air is entering into the belly area. Okay, and inhale.
The waist is the gateway between the upper and lower body. In traditional Chinese culture, we call it the commander of movement. When the waist is tight, the whole system becomes rigid. But when it is loose, the body becomes like water, flexible, strong, and flowing.
Now, my hands are on the belly. When you inhale, and out. On the inhalation, the belly expands. On the exhalation, the belly becomes flat again. And 2 more times. Inhale, belly area. Exhale. And 1 more time. Inhale into the belly area. Inhale. And exhale.
These movements may appear simple, but simplicity is where wisdom lives. With consistency and awareness, these 4 Qigong exercises become tools not just for health, but for awakening. You are not just moving the body, you are transforming the energy within.